Title: The Rising Cost of Homeowner Insurance. What you need to know. Are you a potential home buyer? You might want to pay attention to the rising cost of homeowner insurance. Here's why. 1. Increased natural disasters. With climate change, natural disasters like hurricanes, wildfires, and floods are becoming more frequent and severe, leading insurance companies to raise premiums to cover higher risks. 2. Cost of home repairs. As construction costs rise, so does the cost of repairing or rebuilding homes after damage, which insurance companies factor into their pricing. 3. Litigation and Claims. More frequent lawsuits and higher claim payouts are driving up insurance costs as companies need to cover legal fees and settlements. For technology and data, insurers are using advanced technologies like data analytics to assess risks more accurately, but this can also lead to higher premiums for certain properties deemed riskier. So, how does this affect potential home buyers? Point 1. Higher monthly expenses. Increased insurance premiums mean higher monthly housing costs, which can strain budgets and affordability for buyers. 2. Impact on loan qualification. Lenders often factor in insurance costs when approving loans, so higher premiums could affect the amount buyers qualify for or their debt-to-income ratio. 3. Market competition. In areas with significantly high insurance costs, buyers may face less competition, but they must weigh the overall affordability and long-term financial impact. Stay informed and consult with insurance experts and real estate professionals like Mark Hayes at MrMarylandHomes.com to navigate these changes and make informed decisions.